channel Unicorn Creation. I am Creaty. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my winter wardrobe. So basically what it is, I have so many winter clothes that I wear. Obviously everyone have. So I'm going to be showing you one by one. There are some new products and there are some old products. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. And हाँ, अभी तक आपने subscribe नहीं किया है तो please अभी जाके कर दो. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. And you can also follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right to the video. With this oversized hoodie, so I am in love with it, guys. Like, oh my god, I got it in a bigger size than me. Obviously you can see that, so I can do this all the time. I love it. And ये बहुत soft है, बहुत cozy है. You can't see it totally, but look at this. There is something written. I haven't known what is it. Something I don't know. I don't get it, but yeah. And इनमें pockets भी है और ये इतना बड़ा है ना कि you can wear it as a dress, but I don't like wearing like that short dresses. But yeah, if you're open to this, you can obviously go for it. And I just love the color. Like literally, this is such a nice violet color. Like I love lavender. I am sucker for a lavender, but this is not lavender. It is dusky lavender. So yeah, I just love this, and this is so comfy. Like when you get the hoodie on, it's just like I'm a bhalu, and when I gonna hug someone, it's a really warm hug. So if you want a hug from me, let me know. So yeah, this is the first one. ये मैंने कल ही खरीदा था. आज ही पहन के बैठ गई हूँ वीडियो बनाने. मम्मा सच में डांटेंगी मुझे, जो भी हो. So yeah, this is the first thing. This is the favorite thing of all. So moving on to the next. The next one is this denim jacket. I bought it recently. Like कल ही खरीदा था. मैं shopping करने गई थी कल. So I think for winters everyone should have a denim jacket, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ पे ना कोलकाता का ठंड आपको पता है. अभी अचानक से ठंड पड़ रही है, लेकिन कुछ दिनों पहले इतनी ठंड नहीं थी. So you don't need that much coverage like this kind of hoodies. So you can do it if you are wearing half sleeve tops, you can just add this to your top and it's gonna look good. And this is so good. And let me show you something, which is इसके hand में ना लिखा है beauty attitude. Beauty is attitude. So like yeah, for beauty is attitude. So yeah, मुझे बहुत दिनों से एक डेनिम जैकेट चाहिए था, और मुझे ऑथेंटिक कलर का चाहिए था. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे कलर्स मिल रहे थे, लाइक येलो, पीच, बट मुझे एक डेनिम जैकेट लाइक डेनिम कलर का ही चाहिए था, ताकि मैं इसे सब कलर के साथ ड्रेस के साथ वेयर कर सकूँ और स्टाइल कर सकूँ. सो या, दैट्स इट. एंड सॉरी फॉर द बैकग्राउंड आवाज़, नॉट म्यूज़िक, क्योंकि घर पे काम चल रहा है. I apologize for that. So yeah, this is the next thing. Let me wear it for you. Oh God, you guys, you can wear it, this oversized hoodie with this jacket. This looks so cute. I love it. But I know that we don't need this much layering because ये already hoodie बहुत मोटा है. But I'm just showing you guys that how it looks like. And I really love the sleeve detailing. I really love it. And yeah, this is the next thing. I think everyone have it on their closet or wardrobe, what you can want to say. But yeah, I love this purchase so much. So there is some kind of offer. If you don't know, I bought them from Money Square, and this is from Shopper Stop, from some brand. There are so many brands, but there is a specific denim brand. I forgot about the name, but yeah, I always buy denims from them, and their denims are so comfortable. So yeah, if you are wondering about the price, I have got some kind of offer going on, so I got it really cheap for this quality. And इसमें ना थोड़ा सा shading designs भी है. Shade, I don't know what it called, but yeah, for me it's shade. So let's get to the next one. Comes to the really basic full sleeve top, क्योंकि अभी हमें पता है कि थोड़ी देर पहले जैसे ठंड पड़ रही थी, उसमें हमें फुल स्लीव टॉप्स की बहुत ज़रूरत है. और मैं ट्यूशन जाती हूँ, आई गो ट्यूशन अ लॉट, लाइक लॉट, सब समय जाती हूँ. सो आई नीड टी शर्ट और स्वेट शर्ट और नॉर्मल. सो या, So this is it. This is a full sleeve top and इसके end में ना ऐसा tie up design है. I got it also from Shoppers Stop only. So you can tie a bow in the sides of the sleeves and it gives a nice finish. So yeah, it's a striky kind of top. I like it. It's so soft and इसका material ना थोड़ा सा thick है. और this is in size small, but ये है medium में. I think मुझे ये small में आ जाता, but I wanted it to be oversized. So yeah, this is small one. I can wear it with a denim jacket. So इसीलिए मैंने denim jacket लिया क्योंकि उससे आप बहुत सारे outfit create कर सकते हो. So moving on to the next one. So the next top is this one. So this had so much detailing going on. So it had some pearl detailing and also some embroidery flowers. Can you see it? This is so pretty. And some ruffles and also it had cut shoulder, like please note that. So yeah, this is how it looks like. The color is so pretty and I really enjoy wearing it. So yeah, this is from Reliance, I guess. Yeah, this is from Reliance. Other top भी Reliance है, इसके बाद वाले top भी Reliance है. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's so pretty. I'm gonna add a photo of mine, like picture, which I where I wore this top. So yeah, you can go get a feel of it, how it looks like actually when you wear it. So yeah, moving on, the next one is a sweater. So this is, my goodness, this is so pretty. So it had ruffle detailing at the end and ये ना यहाँ तक आता है और उसके बाद रफल्स आते हैं, लेकिन आपका हाथ छुप जाता है. नीच में भी है ऐसा रफल का डिटेलिंग एंड ये थोड़ा सा पतला स्वेटर है, नीडेड वाला पतला वुल का. And it had some transparent butterflies stitch on it, like all over this sweater, like here there's some more at the bottom. So ये बहुत pretty है. इसका neckline भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है. like वो हल्की ठंडी में जो sweaters लगते हैं ना, this is perfect for that and I really love this. So yeah, this is how it looks like. ये मुझे थोड़ा सा छोटा हो गया क्योंकि इसे पहनते हुए मुझे 2 साल हो गए एंड इट्स स्टिल इंटैक्ट, लाइक कलर भी फेड नहीं हुआ इसका थोड़ा सा भी. सो मूविंग ऑन टू द लास्ट टॉप दैट आई ओन. सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज दिस, नेक्स्ट एंड द लास्ट वन. दिस, it's not a sweater, it's a really thin wool ka top and it had it's kind of a mauve color and it had white stripes in it and iska sleeve dekho, iska hand dekho, so pretty and ये ना यहाँ तक आता है, यहाँ तक and it looks so nice. like इनका sleeve and इसका नेक लाइन बहुत अच्छा लगता है एंड ये एकदम शुरू में मैं पहन रही थी, लाइक जब नवंबर में थोड़ी ठंडी पड़ी थी तब मैं ये पहन रही थी. सो या इसका लेंथ भी बहुत अच्छा है. इफ यू डोंट नो, सम पीपल लाइक ओवर रिवीलिंग विंटर वेयर्स बट आई डोंट गेट इट. लाइक if it's open from side by side, how can you be warm in it? Like how can you manage to get warm in it? And so that's why I don't like over revealing dresses in winter. Summer mein I can consider them, but not for winter, not for me actually. Some people have their own decisions and own perspective. So yeah, I really can't get it. So yeah, this is simple, nice little top. So I think that is it. But one thing that is not clothing, which is I love that. I just love that. This is so cute and my vibe. I just wanted to include it in this video, which is this. So this is a cute little bag, sling bag. So ये बहुत छोटा है, ये दिखता है लाइक इतना छोटा है. इसमें ये मेरा छोटू सा फ़ोन भी फिट नहीं आता, बाहर फिट आता है, अंदर का पाउच में फिट नहीं आता. तो आई एम गोना शो यू like what it actually looks like. So it had this kitty shape handle like this. It had a pom-pom, so cute pom-pom. और ये ना ट्रांसपेरेंट है और इसके अंदर और एक पाउच है. So you can take this along like this, like without anything in it. You can put it this inside and also you can just store this one, like your makeup stuff, and carry it with you in some kind of trip. So yeah, I'm going somewhere very soon, so I would have to grab it. But I really love it. This is so cute, and my aesthetic, if you know me, I love this kind of cute stuff. I love to collect them, and I love bags, like sling bags. I have a lot of them. So yeah, it had also this one, and you can also declutch it and just use it as a little clutch like this. You can use it like this. This is so multi-purpose, but ये बहुत छोटा है, यही है इसका downfall. But otherwise, this is a great bag, and I got it for 250 rupees, and कहीं नहीं मिलता यार इतना कम पैसे में. So yeah, so what, it had a back story. I went for shopping for my best friend birthday gift. So when I got there, I first saw this, and I knew that time that I have to get it. I like, nothing can stop me from getting it. So I told my mom ki grab one for her and grab one for me, and this is so cheap, you can grab it. So first वो अंकल कह रहे थे 370 रुपीज़ का. सो देन मेरी मॉम उस दुकान में बहुत जाती है, लाइक वो ऐसे बैग्स खरीदते हैं, and that shop, my goodness, that is like bag dreams. So I got for myself this color, and I got for her a peachy color that is so beautiful. If I had any picture of it, I'm gonna pop it here, right here. So they are the same thing. I am after doing that, I told her that we can twin with it. So yeah. So after I got it for my best friend and myself, I have two best friend. हम तीनों को मिला के 3 होते हैं, if that makes any sense. So I showed it to my other best friend. So उसे किटी बहुत पसंद है, like she loved Kitty, and when she saw this, like, oh my god, where you get it from? And I told her about that shop, and she just freaked out. And the next day she calls me and tell that WhatsApp check कर, मैंने तुझे एक photo भेजा है. So I checked it, like the same color, the same bag. She also got it. अब हम तीनों एक बैग लेके निकलेंगे घूमने. They had a really great backstory of it. Get it? So yeah, I think that is it for this video. This video was so fun. I love to make this kind of video. If you love watching this kind of video, please let me know in the comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. You can also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas in advance. I see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.